It's good news for EV fans out there. The Porsche Taycan is finally here. On February 5th of 2021, Porsche Trinidad and Tobago unveiled its first demonstration of the brand's fully electric sports car, the Taycan 4S. This car has 4 different trim levels, starting with the base trim, the Taycan. The Taycan 4S falls second in the lineup, followed by the more powerful Taycan Turbo, and then its most powerful spec level, the Taycan Turbo S. Now, normally when a manufacturer has different trims, they are easily distinguishable from the exterior design, but with the Taycan, at least from what I can tell, they are all pretty similar on the outside. On the inside, however, it's an interior layout that reminds you exactly how much effort Porsche designers and engineers put into their vehicles. This particular model, for example, is outfitted with 3 screens on the dash and a 4th between the 2 front seats. That's pretty impressive, and a lot of real estate when it comes to touchscreens. If you want to know specs, the 4S model, the one we're sitting in here, has a top speed of 250 kilometers an hour and can go 0 to 100 in just around 4 seconds. Now, the range on EV cars is affected by driving conditions a lot more than in a gas car, so telling you a specific figure on range is going to be a little bit tricky, but with the Performance Battery Plus option that this car is spec'd out with, you get 93 kilowatt hours of power, which gives you on average about 400 kilometers of range on a fully charged battery. Now, hopefully we'll be seeing a lot of these on the road soon, and hopefully someone out there is going to let me drive it. And when that happens, stay tuned to the White Lines for a full review on how this car really handles.